Welcome in the Java EE8 Application Development course. My name is Tomasz Lelek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I've created multiple production microservices that work in a cloud. So let's look at what we'll learn throughout this course. So firstly, we'll start from building an application with context dependency injection. So we'll explain what a dependency injection is and what it gives us. Then we will be using DI from Java EE. In the second section, we'll be creating business model for the application. We'll be leveraging JSON-P and JSON-B for binding, so we'll be able to read JSON file to Java model and other way around. In the third section, we'll be developing connection between chat client and server using WebSockets. So we'll be leveraging low-level WebSocket API to communicate our chat application. In the fourth section, we'll be creating RESTful API. So we will expose API for our chat application. In the last section, we'll be developing user interface for the application. We'll be leveraging JSF technology. There are two prerequisites that you need to focus on. First is basic understanding of Java programming language, and also you need to have a basic understanding of web applications. Also, you need to have computer with network and command line, web browser, IDE, preferred is the IntelliJ IDE, and JDK 1.8 installed. So the target audience is that you are expected to have prior knowledge of Java and some experience of having developed and deployed application in the past. No prior knowledge of Java EE is required for the course.